In this video, we will look at some activities for live classes. We have included the most commonly used language lab activities as pre-made workflows in Connect. You can find the workflows from the teacher interface by clicking on Launch Exercise. The workflow includes these activities. In the pair group discussion, you can divide the students into pairs or groups and record them. The speaking practice plays back audio or video for your students and records them, or have the students listen to your voice and repeat after you. Listening plays back an audio file for your students. Describe what you see is an image description task. Your students will be shown an image and you can record them describing what they see. Custom exercise. Here you can launch any exercise you've created to all the students at once and even control which parts they can see at any given moment. You also have full control over their recorders if needed. After choosing the activity, the workflow guides you through the setup process. When everything is ready, you will see a green Launch button. After clicking on the Launch button, you will receive a confirmation message. Click on OK to proceed to the activity. During the activity, your students cannot navigate away from the activity until you end it. To end an ongoing activity, click on the green End Exercise button. This will bring up the following screen. You can choose to collect all student submissions, keep the exercise shared, and also to remove all groups. Note, it's a good idea to choose to keep the exercise shared if you want your students to be able to review their work and to provide them with feedback. Also, if you navigate away from the activity while it is in progress, you can always return to it by returning to the class view and clicking on Ongoing Exercise below the Split button. So that's all there is to it. Stay tuned for our next video where we will talk about how to create exercises in your Sanako Connect.